Welcome back, Crammers, to question 5. Adam has 8 packets of noodles. Here's the flavor of noodles in each packet. Adam takes at random a packet of noodles. On the probability scale, mark with a cross X the probability that Adam takes a packet of hot and spicy noodles. So here we have a total of 8 different packets, but 1, 2, 3, 4 are hot and spicy. We can simplify this to 1 over 2 or 0.5. So we can put a cross at 0.5. Circle the word that best describes the likelihood that Adam takes a packet of vegetarian noodles. Now, out of 8, there is only 1 vegetarian noodles, so this is unlikely, but it is still possible. Belinda asked 20 people to name the type of rice they each like best. Here are her results. Complete the frequency table for Belinda's results. So first we have to make a tally chart, and then from that we can make a frequency chart. So it's here, arborio, that's 1, jasmine, 1, basmati, 1, jasmine, 1, basmati, 1, basmati, 1, arborio, 1, wild, 1, jasmine, 1, jasmine again, 1, jasmine again. Remember, tally on the 5th, you write a strike, jasmine, again 1, arborio, 1, basmati, 1, basmati again, so that's 5, wild, 1, basmati, 1, jasmine, 1, wild, 1, and arborio is 1. Now the frequency is how many tallies we have here. So arborio, we just have 4. Basmati, we have 5 plus 1, that's 6. For jasmine, we have 5 plus 2, that's 7. And finally for wild, we have 3. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.